What up guys, this is the Cybot here, and for today's video we are with the Brabster because the Brabster is finally getting a new battery after 4 years and 11,000 kilometers on the odometer. It's time to change out the factory battery. That's right guys, it's been 4 years, 2017 to 2021, and it's time to change out the battery. So later on in the video we will give you the battery tester reading of the old battery and the new battery. So what is the new battery that we are going to install on the Brabster? Is going to be the Dynavolt battery. So for me, if you followed the channel, you should know that I'm currently a bit against the yellow color brand battery. So I decided to go for other options to see what's available in the market, and I found Dynavolt. So Dynavolt is actually part of Moto2, Moto E and WSBK. So it's actually a pretty good brand or well-known brand. I bought this battery for 55 ringgit, alright, and the battery has a 1-year warranty. So let's get the battery swapped out and give new fresh life to the Brabster so the Brabster can brab on. Alright guys, so this is the old battery, 4 years old, and this is the current reading. As you can see, the health is like just 1%, CCA is 70, charge is 68% left, and all the other stuff. So this battery can still start up the bike, but it's like the dying legs, almost end of life, and it will start giving you problems if you don't change it. So next we'll check the output of the Dynavolt and see what's a new battery compared to a 4-year-old battery. So here we have the Dynavolt hooked up to the tester, and as you can see the output here. So of course this battery is out of the box, so we are not sure when is the last time it was charged, but once it's hooked up to the bike and the engine is running, then definitely the percentages will show better. You can also notice that the CCA is 110 compared to 70, which was the previous battery, the dying battery. So that's the results we want to show you, and we're just going to go ahead and install the battery into the bike. Stop. Alright guys, so there you have it. Brabster is now powered by Dynavolt, and the test all is good, charging is good, so no issues with the bike's charging system. With a fresh battery, hopefully it will last another 4 years maybe. I don't know how long it will last, but we'll see. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Till the next one guys, it's the Cybot here. Ride safe and safe ride.